So, we are walking to a fucking
Orlando Ale House.
according to my co-pilot, we're supposed to walk this way, which I thought it was that way.
No, because that way goes over the highway.
But, oh yeah,
I bet you that's it right there in the red.
You sure?
I bet you.
I hope. No. Wait, hold this shit right now.
Bless you.
Wait. Wait,
Bless you. Look at the super moon. Not yet, but you know, later.
Little super moon. Wait.
Otra vez.
No, wait.
Bless you.
For real, I got some shit. Wait.
Wow, okay. Bless you.
Oh, wait.
Oh, come on.
Oh, shit.
I'm embarrassed because they're walking behind us. Let's go.
What the fuck?
Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Gracias. What the fuck?
Yeah. See you inside.